I am the CFO for Find Outdoors. Find was started in 1972, and it was formed to help the cradle of forestry in America. We operate in North Carolina, Georgia, and Kentucky. We have visitor centers, and then we have campgrounds. We also have educational programs.
We preserve the land and allow individuals to come and learn about, the mountains, what's in the rivers, and I think that's what makes Find so important.
We currently have 17 point of sales. We were using Lightspeed for our retail at our visitor centers. We were also using Square at our campgrounds. And then we were also using GoForms to collect some demographic data. And then we were also using WooCommerce in the back end to do the educational events. That was a lot of work on the back end. And so there were a lot of systems.
A lot of the time they wouldn't work and they had no customer service, so it was kind of figure it out for yourself. I believe we've lost some money over time using those because it wouldn't work without internet. It wouldn't capture all the sales. But now with Corona, we have one system for everybody, and it's been a game changer for not only our campgrounds and visitor centers, but also myself and Crystal.
At the PVC, the cashier that we've had out there, she's wonderful. When we went out to put the new point of sale in, she had on a shirt that said, "Today is a happy day," because she was that excited about getting the new system. It is a very user-friendly system.
It's self-explanatory, in my opinion.
And the back end is also very easy and very user-friendly. With Corona, you can collect the point-of-sale system even when the Wi-Fi is down.
Our campgrounds have tablet terminals. It's very beneficial because they can carry it around to check in campers.
With the kayak rentals, we're able to capture waivers that need to be signed when people check out one of our kayaks. In the past, we were using forms that people had to hand write. And so we would always have a stack of forms that we would have to scan in to save. Having it through Corona, it's able to attach it to the customer and we're able to see it in the back end. It also helps us with our educational programs as well. People are able to purchase those tickets online and sign their event waivers online so that we're not having to do that at the time of the event. From the time that we did the demo and that we decided to go with Corona, the sales support was phenomenal. When we did Lightspeed, we had to do that all on our own. We had no help from Lightspeed. But with Corona, they have been with us from the very get-go. Helping us pull in our products, helping us with the training, and then being able to make sure that everything is set up correctly. Ongoing support is wonderful. They will stay with you until they fix your problem. And oftentimes they'll be able to log into our point of sale and see what we're seeing and be able to fix it on their own. So the support outweighs everything. Being able to call somebody and get help immediately and then fix your problems immediately is just awesome.
Customer support is amazing. I called Corona, the conversation was 5 minutes, and then it was fixed.
I have recommended Corona to other businesses because I know they were using Lightspeed, and for us, it was a very good experience going over to Corona.
Corona has been amazing. Their customer support provides us with anything and everything we need. Corona can do it all.